Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adila Puspita, and right now I'm going to presentation about apply linguistic in the midterm project. So the first, we're gonna talk about apply linguistic translation and interpreting. Before we're gonna start the presentation, I will tell you about table of content that I want to explain. The first is about introduction, and then about translating and interpreting, and the next is about application, and the next is about challenge, and then benefit, and the last is about conclusion. So the first, we're gonna talk about introduction. So apply linguistic is the study of language in the real world context. So focusing on the practical application and problem solving. Apply linguistic is an interdisciplinary field that examines language use and language learning, and then language teaching in the various contexts. So we're gonna talk about translation and interpreting. So definition of translation is the process of converting reading text from one language to another, and then while interpreting involves the converting spoken language in the real time. So type of literary translation is technical translation like simultaneous interpreting and consecutive interpreting and the more. This is the example of the interpreting. So we're gonna talk about application. So apply linguistic is inform language to teaching methodologies and material development. And then the next is apply linguistic help understand the complex of translation and interpreting, including cultural and linguistic nuance. And the last is apply linguistic is essential for developing interpreting skill and strategies. So the next, we're gonna talk about challenge in the translation and interpreting. So translator and interpreter must navigate cultural different and nuance to convey accurate meaning. And then translator and interpreter must deal with a linguistic complexities and such as idiom, metaphor, and technical terminology. So the benefit there in the applied linguistic is can help ensure accurate and effective communication across the language and the culture. And then applied linguistic can promote cultural understanding and awareness, like essential for successful translation and then interpreting. So the conclusion about this topic is applied linguistics play a crucial role in the translation and the interpreting. So informing language teaching, translation studies, and interpreting practice, and you can understand the complexities of language and cultural is essential for effective translation and interpreting.